Welcome. In front of me is a FREEYOND M6, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into Fastboot mode. So, to get started, hold your power button and select power off. When the device turns off, you then want to hold power button and the volume up at the same time. Now give it some time because it does take a while for the device to turn off. There we go. So power button, volume up. After, I don't know, like 10 seconds or so, you will see the FREEYOND logo on the screen, at which point you want to let go of the power button. Keep holding volume up till you see the recovery mode. There we go. Now in here, using volume buttons, either up or down to navigate up or down, you want to select either enter Fastboot mode, which is the dedicated Fastboot mode and correctly labeled, or you can also do reboot to bootloader, which is another Fastboot mode. Now I'm gonna first start off with the enter Fastboot mode and show how that looks like, as it's very similar to the recovery mode, also giving you a couple options in here. So we have reboot system now, which takes us back to Android, enter recovery mode, which takes us back to the previous page. We have reboot to bootloader, which again is another Fastboot mode, and power off. Now for this I'm gonna select the reboot to bootloader. Now if I didn't mention, you navigate here as well using volume buttons and use power button to confirm the selected option. I'm going to select this one, and this one is going to be a bit different, as there we go, we are now in Fastboot mode. It's labeled right here, though my camera is a little bit blown out, so it's kind of hard to see, but this is also Fastboot mode. The only difference is here you don't have any options, and to leave this mode you need to forcibly reboot the device. Now, compared to other devices, which you can forcibly reboot them by holding power button and volume down, here you need to hold all three buttons. So I'm gonna do that right now. And you want to hold them till the phone turns off. There we go. And I think it's gonna boot up on its own, so we'll see. It does take it a moment. And you can see we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.